Today we are discussing about the tonsillitis. Before discussing the tonsillitis, first we will discuss the tonsils. Tonsils is our lymph nodes present at pharynx and oral cavity. Means tonsils are two lymph nodes and located on each side of back of the throat. Next, tonsillitis. Tonsillitis is a inflammation of tonsils or lymph nodes. When tonsils become infected, that means we can call tonsillitis. Here in figure is a figure of mouth, and there are two tonsils, and this white portion is called tonsil stone. Here there are two classification of tonsillitis, which is based on first is located and second one is severity. Means tonsillitis first is based on the located and second based on severity tonsillitis. Here again location is divided into three parts. First is palatine, second is pharyngeal, and third one is lingual. And next move on severity. One second. Second, severity. It is also divided into three parts. First is acute, second is subacute, and last is chronic. Now we will discuss the classification based on location one by one. First is palatine tonsils. In palatine tonsils means it is inflammation of palatine tonsils, and which is located on posterior and lateral wall of the oropharynx. I am showing a picture that is okay. This is a palatine tonsils. This is a palatine tonsils, and in another figure we can see here is a palatine tonsils, and second is a pharyngeal tonsils, which is located here, and the third one is lingual tonsils, which is situated in this side, and in another figure we can see here is a lingual tonsils. I hope you are you have no doubt about the palatine tonsils. Next, move on the pharyngeal tonsils. Pharyngeal tonsils is inflammation of the pharynx tonsils. It is also located on posterior wall of the nasopharynx. Next, move on lingual palatine sorry lingual tonsillitis. It is present at base of the tongue, and it's inflammation of the base of the tongue. Now we can move classification of the tonsillitis, which is based on the severity. First point is acute severity tonsillitis. It is onset is rapid, and it is a self-limiting action in 3 to 4 days, and its causative agent is bacteria, and we can call that bacteria is a streptococcus. And next is subacute is a bacterial, it is caused by the bacterial and bothersome and continue for 7 to 8 days or more. Next in severity, last point is chronic tonsillitis is in chronic, it very much complicated, and days to month maybe occur, and its bacteria name is also called streptococcus. Before going to pathology of tonsillitis, first I will show a picture. It's a normal tonsils. It's a healthy tonsils. When infection or inflammation may occur, then we can say that is a inflamed tonsils, and this white portion is stone tonsils.